Hi, in this video I will show you how you can add books to your Kindle or your Kobo e-reader running KOReader. I have done a lot of videos already on my channel that shows how you can wirelessly transfer books to those two devices using KOReader. But in this video I will show you how you can do that with a cable and also how you can do that from Calibre in an easy way. And by the way, I have already done one video about that on a Kobo running KOReader, so you can find that also in the playlist called KOReader on my channel. But let's begin. We go to my table first. Here we have my Kindle Paperwhite 11th Gen PW5 that is jailbreaked and are running KOReader. Let's show you that first, that it runs KOReader as you see here. And here we have a Kobo Clara that runs KOReader. On a Kobo you don't need to jailbreak the device, you just have to install KOReader in a maybe an advanced way for some, but I have a video on my channel on how to install KOReader too on a Kobo. And the same with how to jailbreak a Kindle and also how to install KOReader on a Kindle. But to add books on your e-readers that you want to use in KOReader, you should not be in KOReader on your e-reader when doing that with a cable, because that can crash your device and have a lot of problems. So you need to go out of KOReader on your readers. So click up here and go to exit and go to exit again. Now we will boot into the normal Kobo interface, and the same on the Kindle. We go up here and click exit and click exit again. And it will now go back to the Kindle normal UI on that too. So here we have them. So now we should plug a cable in to your computer. So we start with the Kindle. Here we have the Kindle. So let's plug in the cable that is connected to your computer. Like so. This symbol comes up, and now we should go to my desktop cam. So here we have a Finder window from my Mac computer. Down here we have the Kindle connected, so let's click on that. Here we have a Kindle connected. You should have that you can see the hidden files by doing a command on your computer to see hidden files. Shift command dot on a Mac. But let's go into the KOReader folder. Here we have my books folder that I have for all my books. So let's click on that. Here we have my books I have on my Kindle in KOReader. And as you can see, it's epub files. So everything here is epub, so no conversion automatically from Amazon, because I have jailbreaked my Kindle and added these books. So here I can add new books. So let's go to Calibre to see how to save down some books that you want to have in KOReader on your Kindle. So let's go to Calibre. Here we have my Calibre camera. So by clicking up here, we have some test books in my test library. So let's say we want to add this book and this book to my Kindle running KOReader. I mark them like this and then right click and go to save to disk and save only EPUB format to disk in a single folder. Let's choose that and then choose a folder to save it to. Like so. So now we are back to my desktop cam again. Here we have the book I have saved from Calibre, 2 books. Here we have one book and here we have the next book. If you sort them by file type, then you can remove the other metadata from this folder. So let's mark them up and move them to trash, like so. So now we have 2 books here that we have stored on in a folder on your computer. Now we should copy them to your Kindle in the Books app. So we mark them and copy them to the Books folder. We have now copied them to the Books folder, and you should always have the book files in a single folder, not in one folder for every book, because that is not good for KOReader. So you should always have books files in a single folder, not in different folders. So now we have them on my Kindle. We can disconnect the Kindle like so and unplug the cable, and now we go back to my scene cam. Here we have the Kindle. We have added 2 books to it. So now if we start KOReader again, now KOReader starts, and here we have those 2 books, as you see there. Works great. We can delete them because I don't want them. Delete. Delete. Because this was for this video only. So that is how easy it is to add books by using a cable to your jailbreak Kindle running KOReader. Now we will do the same with a Kobo. As I said, we had KOReader on this before. We have exit from KOReader exactly as we did with the Kindle. Now we should just plug in this cable in the Kobo and click connect. So now it connects to my computer. So we go to the desktop. Here we have the desktop cam, and here we have the Kobo e-reader running KOReader. Here we have a folder that I have created called Books. So if you go into that, we have the books I have on my Kobo e-reader running KOReader. And these are the epub files I have. So we do the same here. We mark these 2 that I have downloaded from my Calibre library and just drag them to the Books folder. And they will be stored here. Now we have added the same files from Calibre library to my Kobo e-reader running KOReader. Now we can disconnect the Kobo e-reader by clicking there. And some Kobo e-readers have a bug that it takes a very long time before this image disappears. So I usually remove the cable anyway. You should not do that actually, but I need to do that every time with this Kobo, unfortunately. But meanwhile it starts and imports the books. We can go back to the scene cam. Here we have the scene cam, and here we have the Kobo. Now let's start the KOReader. We start KOReader. and it opens the last book we were reading. So go out of that, go into the library. Here we have the 2 new books I've added. It's so easy to do by cable too. I prefer wireless transfer though, but with cable you can do it like this. We delete them again, as we did with the Kindle. Like so. So that was how easy it is to add books. We have now added books to both Kindle and Kobo running KOReader. And as you saw, it was quite easy to do that, so no problem whatsoever to do that. Works great. I hope you like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, bye.